Hello, everyone, and welcome to the first episode of Boston Massacode. My name is Aaron Bendersky, and it is a pleasure for you to be here with me today. I have been trying to get my first video up for a few days now, and one issue or another has been blocking me. I have decided that regardless of what happens, I will be posting this video. So my videos are going to be aimed at the beginning developer who has little to no experience coding, who's trying to get up and running quickly. So the first thing I figured I would do is share my text editor setup and some of the extensions that I use that help me out, and everything that I reference will be in the comments below. And please message me and give me some feedback on how you think these videos are going. So I'm going to share my screen and go over just my basic VS Code setup. So I'm working on some Go stuff right now, actually, but that's not important. So on the left-hand side, here you have your extensions, and all of the extensions that I already have running are here, and this is everything that I'm going to go over right now, and all of these can be found on the GitHub that I'm going to paste down below, and this is all reference from Jonas Schmedman's advanced CSS course that he has on Udemy, and I definitely recommend that one. It is amazing. So the theme that he likes and I have adopted as well is Oceanic Next. All of these links will lead to the marketplace for VS Code that just click install and it will go ahead and install into VS Code for you, and you don't have to reload every time you install a new extension. You can wait until the end. All of these extensions are going to be accessible through, if you're on a Mac, code preferences, and I think on a Windows machine, it's also just file preferences and settings. And you can see all the different settings here, and then also some custom ones that you can put in here. We'll go through those in a second. So it's pretty simple. As you add extensions, the options will come up here. There they are. And you can play with them, usually just setting values to true or false, or whatever it demands. So some of the other ones, auto close tag, very helpful, only because who likes closing tags when you open them? Auto rename tag, this one is great because it, if you change the name of the tag in the opening of the tag, it will go ahead and change it for you in the close, and you don't have to worry about doing it for multiple divs or whatever tags you're messing with. You only have to do it once, which saves a lot of time. Most of these are for saving time. Color highlight, we'll just highlight that color in VS Code for you, and you can, let's see if I can show you guys something. How about, oh, I don't know. Just as an example, I don't want to do that. So just, and if I can find one, guys, if I can find one. So in here, if I'm in, oh, I guess I'm not in there. So this is all going to be edited out. There we go. So you can see when you are adding colors in CSS, it highlights it there for you. And if I decide I want to change it, I can just drag the values here and it will change and correspond. Here the black is highlighted, the yellow. I'm sure there's some other examples. down below, and they'll also be highlighted here on the right. So when you're clicking through, actually there you can see it, there's some green there somewhere, or if that's just an error, there's the white highlighted. So that's color highlight, pretty straightforward. Paste and indent will format the content that you paste in, hopefully correctly, usually it works correctly. If not, you can always shift tab everything over and then paste everything the way you need it, or tab it over the way you need it. Path IntelliSense helps you out with the path to whatever file you're linking to, or whatever other style sheet you're linking to. Project Manager I don't use a lot, so we can skip that one. These are custom settings that are just going to make everything a lot more easy for you, so you can go ahead and copy these and put them over on the right-hand side here on your preferences. And so you would paste them in here. Just very simply keep them inside of the brackets, and everything is pretty straightforward as far as figuring out what everything is doing. So expect a new video from me hopefully every day. I'm going to be getting a setup that is more conducive to pumping out videos. I'm going to try to go from the ground floor all the way up to the next level, next level, next level. So next video will be about just getting a basic HTML page up and running and doing some cool things with it without having to know anything more than just some basic HTML. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Big Happy Trees. YouTube channel for this is going to be Boston Massacode. Follow along, guys. Shout out to 100 Days of Code and everyone that's helped me along the way with all of this. See you soon.